Hello, I'm Rod Baltzer, President of Waste Control Specialist. Events at this historic site have been moving rapidly, and I wanted to take a few minutes to show you around this historic project. First, we are on schedule to complete construction of the low-level radioactive waste disposal site for the Texas Compact this fall. That will allow us to open for disposal operations by the end of this year and begin accepting Class A, B, and C low-level radioactive waste. People are taking note of our progress. We recently signed contracts with some of the largest brokers in Texas to permanently dispose of low-level radioactive waste at our state-of-the-art facility. This waste will come from Texas's leading hospitals, universities, and research centers, entities that include the University of Texas and Texas A&M Systems, Memorial Hermann Texas Medical Center, and Children's Medical Center of Dallas. Our unique capabilities will provide a long-needed disposal solution that is extremely important to the health and well-being of Texas residents. These institutions conduct experiments and provide procedures and treatments using radioactive materials that save lives every day. This includes the early detection and treatment of many types of cancer and heart disease. With the opening of our facility, the waste from these critical activities will have a permanent disposal home in a remote, isolated area and will no longer be temporarily stored on site in our major cities. In addition to the soon-to-be open compact waste facility, the federal facility is also under construction and should be open for disposal operations by early 2012. Going hand in hand with this construction is the recent passage of new laws by the Texas legislature that allows the limited importation of waste from non-compact generators. These new laws create a very conservative and safe path forward by setting annual volume limits on waste that can be received from outside the compact states of Texas and Vermont. To make sure there will be enough space for compact generators, 70% of the disposal facility's permanent capacity is reserved for Texas and Vermont. In addition to the disposal contracts, out-of-compact generators negotiate with the facility operator. They will also pay a surcharge to the state of Texas. Once again, people are taking notice of this new disposal option. The benefit to non-Texas compact utilities of securing contracts prior to the facility opening is to ensure sufficient annual capacity exists to dispose of certain types of low-level waste. There has been a national need for the WCS site to open since the Barnwell, South Carolina site stopped accepting non-Atlantic compact waste over 3 years ago. That resulted in a reduced disposal options for Class B and C low-level waste. But now, WCS is offering a Texas solution. As such, we oppose an industry practice known as downblending, which involves diluting the more radioactive Class B and C waste with the less radioactive Class A waste in an attempt to classify all the waste as Class A for disposal. This is unnecessary. We believe the industry should not take such a shortcut solution and risk weakening public confidence when a safe, permanent option now exists at a fully licensed disposal site, a state-of-the-art facility that is setting safety records each year. In June, WCS achieved 4 years of work without a single lost time accident. In our industry, where we work with heavy equipment and hazardous and radioactive materials, 1 year without a lost time accident is a major accomplishment. 4 years without a lost time accident is huge. The awareness and training required to achieve these milestones takes significant investments of time and money, but the results are well worth the effort. With the completion of the Texas Compact facility only a few short months away, we at WCS are committed to setting the industry standard for safety for our workers, the surrounding community, and the environment of our state and nation. Our recent safety record is solid proof we're doing just that. I believe we have the best team in the business providing a Texas solution to a national environmental challenge. Waste Control Specialist is very proud to be partnered with the state of Texas and the hard-working communities of Andrews and Eunice on this very important project. We invite you to join us.